Welcome back to AI Catalyst. Nowadays, AI is not just about a copilot or a chatbot. It's beyond that. There are so many things AI is doing for us. And if you are working with AI and looking for a one-stop platform for AI, here comes Microsoft Azure AI Services, which offers a complete ecosystem to build your AI solutions. Today, in this video, I am going to explain all Azure AI services in simple language with simple analogies step by step. This video may be slightly advanced for the beginners, but if you are a developer, an architect, or an Azure AI enthusiast, this video is for you. Let's start exploring. In this picture, you see all Azure AI services are categorized in 5 major categories: generative AI, core AI services, search and knowledge, machine learning, and the most important, data and storage. And to understand these services in the easiest way, to consider them as a smart factory. In this smart factory, we have different departments which serve different purpose or the tasks for us. Like some of them are analyzing the data for us, some of them are searching the data for us, some of them are building intelligence for us. Let's start from the top. At the very top, we have generative AI layer. Consider this as brain of the factory. Azure OpenAI Services offers us multiple large language models like ChatGPT-4 and others, which can write, understand, and do reasoning for us. These are majorly used for multiple chatbots, different generative AI applications, document summarizations, copilot, etc. And Azure AI Foundry, which formerly known as Azure AI Studio, is a control room from where we control all these applications. This is where we generate the prompt. We do prompt engineering here. We make AI agents, and also different other generative AI applications are built here. Now let's move to core Azure AI services. These services are ready to use capabilities which do not need any training or a customization or a coding. The very first one is Azure AI language. AI language is for text intelligence, sentiment analysis, summarization, and personal identity information detection. So if you want to analyze customer feedback in an application, this service fits perfectly because it can read the customer feedback and can analyze its sentiment if the customer is angry or is happy. Next is AI speech. As the name suggests, it's all about voice, being it's text to speech or speech to text, or maybe real-time translation. That is why it is being majorly used as a digital assistant at call centers or maybe a personal assistant, and some applications are using it as a real-time language translator. Next is AI vision. So anything and everything need to be done at image or a video level that will be done by AI vision. Either you use it for OCR, image analysis, text extraction from image, or maybe object detection. Your go-to service is AI vision. On the screen, next service is document intelligence. By its name, you can imagine this service done all the intelligence around the documents, like converting your invoices, receipts, or contracts into a structured data so that you can always refer back to that data. Last service on screen is content safety, and it is very important to ensure our AI is responsible and our AI application is not encouraging or sharing any harmful or unsafe information or data on the platform. The next layer is Azure AI Search, the most underestimated service. So if you are building a RAG solution, Azure AI Search will be the backbone for it. So unlike other traditional keyword search services, Azure AI Search understands the meaning and context using semantic and vector search. That is why it becomes the bridge between your enterprise data and generative AI to ensure accurate and grounded answers instead of any hallucination. Next is machine learning, which is a base for any type of AI. So, instead of relying on the ready-to-use models, large language models, you customize and build your own models by, training them, managing their models, or deploying them. And if you want less coding, AutoML is being designed for you. Here comes the last and the most important layer, data layer. So the real fuel behind any type of AI is data. Data is the foundation for any AI solutions. So it's like, without the correct data, any advanced AI model will also fail. Services like Azure Data Lake, Blob Storage, Cosmos DB, they organize and serve the data to different services like search, machine learning, and generative AI. So let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture again. So Azure AI is not a single service, but an umbrella of multiple services underneath it. So it is a layered system from Azure OpenAI to Core AI services to intelligent search and machine learning, and then of course the most important, data. Each layer has a role, but the real power comes when you start using them all together to solve your different business problems. Once you start look at Azure AI Services as a system, not as a tool, you stop using just AI and start designing and deploying the intelligent solutions. If you want me to cover real-world AI architecture, RAG implementation, or how to build AI agents in Azure AI Foundry, let me know in the comments. I will do another videos on them. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. This is Shorab from AI Catalyst signing off for now. See you in the next video. Till then.